Hello, my name is Abdullah. My student ID is 77544889. I'm here to demonstrate my SCSE project, which includes three microservices: student, finance, and the library. Agenda was to make these microservices interconnected and make them run. So I started with the finance microservice. I fetched the code from the Git repository, which was already shared with us by teacher. What I did is I pulled that code from the Git repository and simply run the Docker Compose up command, which run this YAML file, and in result, I was able to run this finance microservice, which includes two containers. One is DB and another is this application part. And I can see you, as you can see, that this is running over here, and we can see the results. And then I went to this service, library service, which is named as seseProject. I pulled this code also from the repository which was shared by Dr. Satish. So I pull it, and before running the Docker Compose command, what I did is I created this env file, and I get the I get, but when I run the Docker Compose file, I got an error. I put that on a ChatGPT and said that environment file is missing. I created that, and this was also given in the instruction of repository. And after creating this, which include the password and the application name and the username, after this, what I did is I simply did the Docker Compose. I run the Docker Compose command, and before that, I build this. I build the images by using Docker Compose dash build and putting up command. Let me show you exact command. Yeah, this command. I run this command to make this run. And what this command did is it built the image, and then it built the image, this one, and then I was able to run this by using Docker Compose up. And as you can see, it is also running here. So both applications, both the microservices are running, and it's saying this unhealthy, but I'm not sure why it is saying. And I didn't get into this because I was not sure if I would be able to run it again or not. So this is also running. After that, what I did is I created a student service, and I didn't dockerize it. I used ChatGPT for this code and for this service, and I created code over here, and I used these URLs, and I get the code from the ChatGPT and make it run. I do have set the controllers and everything, and I also have front end over here. I also developed a front end over here. I also, even developing of this front end, I use the ChatGPT, and then I didn't dockerize it because it was giving some errors while dockerizing it, and I was not sure about making the connections while dockerizing it. So what I did is I simply run this using using my IDE, and this was also working. This is also working. this is it. And I have used TTO, which I got for the authentication. I got this also from the chat GPT. That's it.